Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Saurabh Pawar. Today video topic is DNA and RNA and their types. First see DNA. The DNA was first recognized and identified by the Swiss biologist Johannes Friedrich Mischer in 1869. During his research on white blood cells, DNA is a group of molecules that is responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary materials or the genetic instructions from the parents to offspring. This is also true for viruses, as the most of these entities have their RNA or DNA as their genetic material. For instance, some viruses may have RNA as their genetic material while others have DNA as a genetic material. The human immunodeficiency virus contains RNA, which is then converted into DNA after attaching itself to host cell. Apart from being responsible for the inheritance of genetic information in all living beings, DNA also plays a crucial role in production of protein. Nuclear DNA is the DNA contained within the nucleus of every cell in eukaryotic organism. It codes for majority of the organisms genomes, while the mitochondrial DNA and plastid DNA handles the rest. The DNA present in the mitochondria cell is termed as mitochondrial DNA. It is inherited from the mother to child. In human, there are approximately 16,000 base pairs of mitochondrial DNA. Similarly, plasticides have their own DNA and they play essential role in photosynthesis. Let's talk about the DNA types. There are different types of DNA. First one is aDNA. aDNA is a right-handed double helix similar to the bDNA. Dehydrated DNA takes place a form that protects the DNA during extreme conditions such as dissociation. Protein binding also removes the solvent from DNA and the DNA takes an A form. Second one is bDNA. This is the most common DNA conformation and is right-handed helix. The majority of DNA has B-type conformation under normal physiological condition. zDNA. zDNA is a left-handed DNA where the double helix bends to the left in a zigzag pattern. It was discovered by Andreas Wang and Alexander Rich. It is found ahead of start site of gene and hence it believed to play some role in gene regulation. Let's talk about this RNA. The RNA is a ribonucleic acid. It helps in the synthesis of protein in our body. This nucleic acid is responsible for the production of new cells in human body. It is usually obtained from DNA molecules. RNA resembles the same as that of DNA. The only difference being that it has a single strand, unlike the DNA which has two strands, and it consists of an only single ribose sugar molecule in it. Hence is the name ribonucleic acid, also referred to as enzyme, as to helps in the process of chemical reactions in the body. The basic structure of RNA. The ribonucleic acid has all components same to that of DNA with only two main differences within it. RNA has the same nitrogen bases called as adenine guanine cytosine as that the DNA except for the thymine, which is replaced by uracil. Adenine and uracil are considered as the major building blocks of RNA, and both of them form base pair with the help of two hydrogen bonds. RNA resembles a hairpin structure and like the nucleotides in DNA, nucleotides are formed in the ribonucleic material. Nucleosides are nothing but the phosphate groups which sometimes also helps in the production of nucleotide in DNA. Let's talk about the types of RNA. There are various types of RNA out of which most well known, the most commonly studied in human body are tRNA, transfer RNA. The transfer RNA is held responsible for choosing the correct protein or amino acid required by the body, in turn helping the ribosomes. It is located at the end point of each amino acid. This is called as soluble RNA, and it forms link between messenger RNA and the amino acid. The rRNA ribosomal RNA. The rRNA is a component of the ribosome and are located within the cytoplasm of the cell where ribosomes are found. In all living cells, the ribosomal RNA plays a fundamental role in the synthesis of translation of mRNA into protein. The mRNA is mainly composed of cellular RNA and are the most predominant RNA within the cells of the all living beings. The mRNA messenger RNA. This type of RNA functions by transferring the genetic material into the ribosomes and pass the instructions about the material into the ribosomes into the type of protein required by the body cells. Based on the functions and these types of RNA called as messenger RNA. Therefore, the mRNA plays a vital role in the process of transcription or during the protein synthesis process. That's all about the RNA and DNA and their types. Thank you.